How to log in to TalkTalk account online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into TalkTalk account online. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Then you want to search for talktalk.co.uk. Once you land on this website, you want to click on the My Account option in order to log into your account. Here you have two options, log in and register. If you already have an account, you can very easily log in. For this, enter your email address. If you have forgotten your email address, click on the link that says Forgotten Email Address in order to retrieve it. Then you want to enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgotten Password option. Then you want to click on the Login option. If all of your credentials are correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. If you are new to this, you can click on the Register option, then follow the on-screen prompts in order to register a new account. You can also log in passwordless by clicking on the Login Passwordless option. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.